Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Jasper AI. If you want to sign up and get started with Jasper AI, then here is a quick tutorial on that. First, open a preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile device, and then go to the URL box and type in www.jasper.ai. Press enter after you are done, and then you'll land in the official web page. To sign up and create a new account, click on Try Jasper Free button at the top right hand corner. Now, you can go ahead and continue signing up with your Google account or with an email. Select your preferred option. In my case, I'm signing up with my email. So let me click on the second option. Now provide a valid email address for yourself in the text box that appears on the screen. After you are done, click continue. Now you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your email address. Open up your email inbox and click open the email from Jasper. Copy the verification code that you receive in your inbox. Get back to the enter code text field and paste it in. If you didn't get the code, you can request the code again by clicking on resend code. After you are done, click continue, and then you'll be able to create a new account. Now on the next page, choose a plan for yourself that is suitable to you and click on the start free trial button. Enter your payment details on the next page and click on start trial in order to sign up for a 7 days free trial for Jasper. That is how you'll be able to sign up or create a new account for Jasper. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.